and then straight, all the plastics back on. It's just much nicer. It's a much nicer feel, you know. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a bit of a while again, but I filmed some footage on the Clio, and when I was making the videos a couple of months ago, they were only like 5 minutes long really, because it didn't take much, and obviously with the cutting and editing and everything, like it just it was no point uploading it. So I've done some of these videos, I've done a couple of mods on the Clio, so what I've done is I've put them together. I'm just going to make a full YouTube video out of that, so it will seem random, I'm just giving you that now. It will seem random, these two videos. Obviously they're meant to be separate, but I've just put them together. This video is just a mix and match put together. I think it's alright actually, it's not too bad, so I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and get ready for more content. Believe it or not, the car review, I'm not gonna bullshit you out with all that, but ready for more content. The next video will be better. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one. Peace out. So, welcome back. Today's video, we are going to replace this big monstrosity, big on, and I'm gonna replace it with this bit of a nicer wheel. You understand, you need to take all the screws out, two there, one at the bottom, take this plastic off, and then there's two little clips. I think there's one this side somewhere. Don't know where it is, but there's a clip. You need to get something in, clip that side, and then there's one under somewhere. Don't know where that is either. Boom, clip that, and then that comes off your airbag. But first, I'm going to undo the battery because I don't fancy getting blown up. So I'm going to undo the battery and then go from there. Hopefully the car starts again because there's a run on. So we've got the wheel off. And the worst part was getting the airbag out. So the airbag clips, which is still on here, came off. So we'll just try and be a little bit gentle and that'll not happen. So I'm going to have to wire this back in so the airbag light doesn't come on. High resistor in. That's unwired up. Hopefully the airbag light stays off now. Disconnect the horn and then you get the T50 in there. So that's the boss kit on. There's a little box up the top there. Put all the wires through. It tells you there, top. But obviously mine was on a bit of a slant, so that should be a level up. Time to get the wheel on. I might try and wire the horn up. Try and take the clips through this and wire the horn up. So I've had to do some like expert camera work here so you can see what I'm doing. I've got the screws. I don't even know what size I'm doing. I'm only just going to grab two so I can line it up. Using the 215. I just held it in place one hand, put one in, then you put one in the bottom, and then you've centralised it. Get the rest to just do one by one. Doesn't work. But there we go, there's the wheel on. Just need to put the plastic back on the bottom and then we'll go again. So I started the car, put everything back together, put all the plastic trim on, I started the car. I thought I'd get away with it, but let's come on. The engine light there. The engine lights on for another two, airbag lights on because obviously couldn't get the clip back in. I kind of thought it would happen, but see if someone can map that out. Bit gutted really, but I like the wheel, looks class. Look, so there's a wheel all in, main straight, all the plastics back on. It's just much nicer. It's a much nicer feel, you know, driving position and everything. Could probably drop it down. I can see the dash now. Just nice to drive with that. It's the first time I've ever like had this like a aftermarket steering wheel on a car, so it'll be good to see what the difference is. It just feels a lot better to grab onto, you know. Some people say I should have went Alcantara, but I can always get it restitched if I didn't like it. So well, thanks to Pure Motorsport for sending these out. 10mm spacers. So basically, like normal people or normal cars can deal with like spacers, like hub spacers, but not Clios. They're doing like the strain on the back axle, on the back hub, so you can't put the hub spacers on the rears. You've got to put them shims in, but from the hub to the rear beam. French things apparently, but it doesn't look too difficult. I mean, there's a bit fiddly by the looks of things, but not too hard. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the car in on here. We'll have a look what it's like. If it's too hard, I'll fuck it off. If it's not, then I'll do it. So we'll get the car moved. So there's the car hanging over the back a bit. All I need to do now is get a jack up. I'm going to jack it off the rear beam. Jack it off the rear beam. And then I'm going to put some lifesavers underneath some axle stands, and then we'll get the wheels off and that and have a look-see. Diamond gold detectors. Now for the dugger, but I need to thank Alan's dad for this absolute beast. Look at that. Got it for my birthday off Dino, legend. So what I've done is, I did the other side, so I knew what I was doing on this side. It took a little bit longer than I expected, but I've started this now. So what I've done is I've took the hub nut out, and then I'm taking the caliper bolts out so that I can obviously remove the disc, and then we'll go from there. So it's an 18mm for the carrier bolts. Probably talking shit. That's really easy. Carry on board to it. This should come up in here. I think we have a problem. That's a bearing. So I've discovered that's my bearing. So if I done that a bearing, and just put the spacer in, and then I need to order some pads, discs. Hopefully I get them Monday, but I doubt it. But I just need to try and work around it, and then I need to try and get the wheel on and get the car back in the drive. I can't leave it like this. I'm unloosening these Torx bits in there, got the spanner on the back, unloosening these Torx. And then the bottom right hand corner is a smaller size one. I don't know why, but it is. So, in the last video, obviously we got a bit through putting them spacers in, and I managed to get them in. There it is there. And I'll show you what needs to be when I take the disc off. The reason why I postponed the video was because I found my broken bearing. So yeah, the bearing was mangled. I got a little bit stressed because I was thinking I wouldn't be able to put the wheel back on, and I couldn't get the part that day as it was a Sunday. So I've got the parts, I've got the new discs. So that's why I've paused the video and put it later. It's in another day. So I'm going to crack through it now. I'm going to take the disc back off. I already took the hub nut off, cracked the back carrier bolts for the caliper. So we're just going to take the disc back off now and get the new one on. So there's the knackered bearing. That's meant to be inside the brake disc. Inside there. But, no worries. Let us see, I'm no mechanic, so they can judge the way I'm taking this off. What I need to do is take these little Allen bits out. I've got bolts on the back. Take them out, take this hub off, put the spacer in, put it all back together. I'm making this sound easy there, but the other side was a pain in the backside, but I didn't get my spanners out. I just using the sockets. But when you get the spanners out, especially the swan necks, it's a lot easier. So we're going to get the other brake disc out and get it put in. So there's the new discs, nice and fresh. Look at that, ABS ring on it, new bearing in, spot on. So what we'll do is we'll get this fitted now. So that's that sorted, that's the spacers on and the rear discs put on. But I'm happy with how it's looking at the minute. I'm going to get it booked in for an alignment, get the alignment done, get it a little bit lowered, and obviously adjust the coilovers. And then go from there. I'm still on the looking for some wheels, but I'm in no rush because these are alright, they're not too bad. They're a nice looking wheel, they suit the car. Everyone knows what they are. But I was just popping on with this for now. It's coming along nice. I want an exhaust done. Thanks very much to Kev at GT. I think it's called GT now. It used to be MPA. Sourcing the bits for it. Very speedy, class. So I'll put a link in for GT and so you can get your parts and all that off them. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.